Good day everyone. Today let's discuss how to set up shipping methods in Odoo 14. So shipping methods can be used for your sale orders and also on your e-commerce, and there are various delivery methods available that allows you to manage the transport company, price and destination. So you can even integrate Odoo with external shippers to compute the real price and packagings. So first of all, you have to keep in mind that this delivery methods are handled by module, that is delivery cost. So you can find in App Store by removing apps filter. You can see the delivery cost application module. And then now let's move on to sales module, where we have our configuration settings, where we can find the delivery method option inside the settings. So here there is our delivery methods that computes shipping cost on orders. You can see it shipping methods. So by clicking on this also you can go directly to the shipping methods configuration, and you can also find some providers here. So these are all the providers. You can see UPS connector, DHL USA connector. So the different providers. So you can enable this also. You can enable this in settings and save it. So after saving it, let's move on to configuration, where we can find our shipping method. So here you can see lot of shipping methods created. So let's open one, and by clicking create method you can create new one. So this is a new a delivery method, that is free delivery charge. So if you open, you can see there are a lot of details. You can give a name for your shipping method, then provider. So you can decide the provider of the shipping method. There are different options. One is fixed price, then based on rules. Then there are different other providers also. Suppose if you set a fixed price, then here you can add a fixed price for the shipping method. So you can add 50 rupees. Then we can add a company here. Then here we have an option to install more providers. So from here you can install more providers. Then we have delivery product. So this is a delivery product that is created before. You can add a delivery product here, which is added in the sale order later while you are creating a sale order. Then margin on rate. So this percentage will be added to the shipping price. So it will be added to the shipping price. So this is based on percentage. So for this, if it is a fixed price, or if there is a price given here, then its percentage will be taken as margin. So if I give 20%, 20% of the price will be taken as margin. Then we can decide if free order amount is above a price. So while enabling this option, you can see a field to give to add an amount here. So while creating a sale order, and if a product's price is above this amount, above or equal to this amount, then delivery charge can be added as free. So if the order total amount is above or equal to this value, the customer benefits from free shipping. Then the another provider we have is based on rules. So we can define rules here. So based on that, a price will be added. So here you can see, can add conditions based on either it can be weight, volume, price, quantity, weight into volume, and so then we can add a value here. Then delivery cost can be provided. Suppose price is greater than 100. So you can add a delivery cost here. Into price. So you can see a new rule is created. So in this way you can add pricing based on rules. So now I'm setting a provider based on, that is fixed price, that is 50. Then you can see a tab that is destination availability. So you can limit the delivery method to a few destinations. So the limit can be applied to some countries, states, or even zip codes. So this feature limits the list of countries on your e-commerce. So you can limit here, otherwise it will be applied to all countries. And after that we can save this. Then let us create a sale order. Okay, you can see the unit price is 750, and here you can see option to add shipping. So that we can add shipping method here, and let us choose this free delivery charge. So we can see the cost as 60. This is because we have provided fixed price as 50 and margin rate as 20%. So 20% of 50 is 10, and 10 plus 50 60. So the cost is 60. And if you click add, you can see it is added. Then after that we can save the sale order, confirm. Suppose if I am adding the unit price as 1000 and add shipping, if I click add shipping and if I choose free delivery charge, you can see message shown, the shipping is free since the order amount exceeds 1000. As we have given inside the free delivery charge shipping method, that if the price is above, unit price of the product is above 1000 or equal to 1000, then delivery charge will be free. And if I click add, you can see it is 0 as the price is equal to or above 1000. And after that we can save this, or else you can also update the shipping cost from here. Again you can add another one. This is how we set up shipping method in Odoo 14. If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to odoo@cybrosys.com.